Hello students. In the previous videos, we discussed about the basics of algebra, addition, subtraction and multiplication. From this video, I am going to start the exponents, continuation of basics of algebra. Already we discussed this point. If a into x power n is an algebraic expression, then a equal to this a is called coefficient, x is base and n is power, index or exponent. Example I taken here once, check. 7x square, an expression I taken here. Coefficient is this one, coefficient equal to a, 7, that is equal to 7, and in place of x is there, so base equal to x, and the exponent in place of n we have 2, that is why exponent equal to 2. Here I am going to introduce some rules. Remember the rules and note it down. Rule 1. Already you know that p power n equal to, what is the meaning of p power n? P multiplied by n times. P is multiplying by how many times? N times. N is the power. Example I taken here once, p power 5. That is p multiplied by 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, p power 4, p multiplied by 4 times, p power 3, p multiplied by 3 times, p power 2, that is p multiplied by 2 times, and p power 1, so p multiplied by 1 time, that is equal to p. In case p power 0 is what? That is p power 0, p multiplied by 0 times, then the answer is equal to 1. This is the first rule. Remember that anything power 0 is equal to 1. In place of p, if you are having x, y, z, whatever it may be, if power is 0, the resultant must be equal to 1. Remember the first rule. Next one, rule 2. Example problem I taken here once, check, before I'm going to explain about the rule 2. A power 5 into a power 3 equal to question mark. What is the resultant of a power 5 and a power 3? A is what? A power 5 is what? A multiplied by 5 times. A power 3 is a multiplied by 3 times. Just I expanded here once. A power 5 equal to a multiplied by 5 times. Next, a power 3 equal to a multiplied by 3 times. 2 I taken here. What I am going to do? Multiplication. Multiply both a power 5 and a power 3. So this a power 5 into a power 3. So these two resultants I am going to multiply here. Once a power 5 is a 5 times multiplied by 5 times. A power 3 is a multiplied by 3 times. Here, what is resultant? Total how many a's are here? Once check. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 a's are there. So combinedly I written here a power. This is the result. If you are observing that the powers, how much power of an expression is there, you should add the powers when base is equal and those two expressions are under the multiplication. That is the rule 2. a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is m, not n. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Hence, a power m into a power n. This is n, not n. Equal to a power m plus n. Once you should observe the formula, bases are equal. Here base is a and here also base is e. Two bases equal. In this case, you should add the powers. Here power is m, here power is n. So bases are equal, then a I written here. Two powers add m plus n. That is the second rule. Next, rule 3. A power 5 by a power 3 equal to question mark. Previous rule multiplication, and in this rule division is there. Obviously a power 5 is a multiplied by 5 times, and a power 3 is a multiplied by 3 times. Divide both a power 5 and a power 3. Once check, a power 5 by a power 3 equal to, that is a multiplied by 5 times and a multiplied by 3 times. So division is nothing but you should cancel the terms. A gets cancelled, another a gets cancelled, and another a gets cancelled. How many remaining? Resultant is 2a's. 2a's multiplied by, that is a square. A multiplied by 2 times, that is a square. This is the answer. If you are observing that this is 5 and this is 3, if you are subtracting these two, then you can get this result. That is why another rule is a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Should subtract the powers. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay students, that is about the rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. Listen to that video again and practice the sums here. 5 power 3 into 5 power 5. 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. L power 4 into L power 9. M power 4 into L power 9. So once check, is it possible, which rule is applicable here? Is it possible to do the multiplication or not? Once you should write down the reason. What is your opinion about this? And 5 power 53 by 5 power 51. Q power 7 by Q power 3. Practice these problems. And rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 very, very important. Write down the classwork. Thank you students.